Hi, I'm Tip. Today I'm gonna cook deep fried barramundi with the black pepper sauce with the iCook wok. To start, I fillet the fish to be the serving side and the rest of the fish to be decoration. And then I start to put the corn flour to coat the fish. For the both sides. I'm using the corn flour to coat the fish, but you can use plain flour or potato flour, whatever you want. The oil is ready. I'm gonna move the fish in the oil. The fish is fried up nicely, and when it's finished, I will make up the sauce. When the fish is turned into golden brown, we put it on lotus blossom black to dip down from the oil back to the pot. Fish bone still cooking because I need more crispy. And I move the wok to a side to make a sauce. With the sauce, I used 1 liter saucepan. Put it on high heat. When it heat up, I add the oil, add some garlic, and stir. Add ginger, add chili into the saucepan, and then palm sugar, soy sauce, vinegar, cooking wine, fish sauce, and pepper. Give it a stir, set to medium heat, and then close the lid for 1 minute. The fish is ready. The time for setup. Put on the plate and then put the fillet on it. The fish is ready for the sauce. Give a little bit stir and then just add on top of the fish. And garnish with the spring onion and coriander. Fish is ready and we serve with the rice. Deep fried barramundi with the black pepper sauce from the iCook.